This is my video demo for Lab 2 Part 2. I will first start off with showing the code and the modifications we made. Then I will be showing the FSM table and diagram and also the modifications we made on those as well. And at the end, I will be showing you the build on the breadboard. So starting off with looking at the code, we added an if statement to be able to read so that when the pin is pushed, it will start transitioning to the east-west state. And if the button isn't pushed, then it is going to stay in its current state where north-south is stop and east-west is pass. Uh, Now, taking a look at the FSM table, here we can see that we have an FSM table detailing all of our states and how long it takes to get to the next state. And with the modification here where we added button pressed and not pressed. So if the button is pressed, it will start transitioning. Um, And if the button isn't pressed, then it's going to stay in its current state, which is north-south stop and east-west pass. And then we made the modifications as well on this diagram as well, so that instead of timers, it's now reading whether the button was pressed or not. So if the button isn't pressed, it stays. If the button is pressed, then it starts transitioning and starts cycling. Now, taking a look at the build itself here on the breadboard, as you can see, I have my east-west pass here, and on this side, I have the north-south stop. So if I push the button, it should start transitioning. And as you can see, it's turning red, and then north-south should turn green, as it is going to right now. And then if for some reason the switch is still held down, then it should still keep cycling. So I'm just gonna hold down the switch for now and show that it is gonna cycle. As you can see, it's starting to cycle again because it detected that the button's being pushed down, so it's still gonna continue cycling. And yeah, that is my video demo for Lab 2 Part 2.